CBSE Mathematics Class 12, Chapter 4, Exercise 4.2. Before starting the exercise 4.2, let me introduce about the properties of the determinant. This is the properties of the determinants are as follows. If rows are converted into columns or columns are converted into rows, there will be no change. The determinant will not be changed, unchanged. If you are changing the row with row, at that time the sign of the determinant will be changed. Or if you are changing column to column, means column 1 to column 2, column 1 और column 2 को आपस में interchange करते हैं, then the sign of determinant will be changed. If there are two identical rows or column, the determinant value will be equal to 0. If each element of one row or column is multiplied by k, then the total determinant will also be multiplied by k. Second part of this property is, if you are having the constant proportional between the column corresponding elements of the column into column के बीच में constant proportional है, और रो देखिए रो ri by rj constant proportional होगा, then the value of determinant will be 0. Sum of the terms of a row, if rows are written in sum, means a plus b or c plus d like that, in that way we can split it into different determinant, can be splitted. You see, the rows and columns means sum of the terms. Sixth, ri means row ith. So under operation, that is ri plus k into rj, means if you are adding the multiple of other row to the operated row, at that time the same determinant value will be there. Similarly, if you are adding column with the multiple of the other column, then the determinant value will be the same. And we have to keep in mind that once it has been changed like this, will not be used for further operation. अब तब उसके बाद में हम किसी ऑपरेशन में इसका यूटिलाइज नहीं करेंगे. Now let us start exercise. This is the exercise 4.2, using the property of the determinant and without expanding in exercises 1 to 7, prove that. हमें prove करना है with the help of the properties which we have just I have told you earlier. Question number 1. देखिए xa plus xa yb plus y plus b z c plus z plus c. So property number 6 say c1 is under operation, that is c1 plus c2. अब c1 और c2 को प्लस कीजिए, देखिए. So you will get here x plus a, x, y plus b, z plus c. Here a, b, c as it is. Here x plus a, y plus b and z plus c. Now we have got the two identical columns. Now you see the C1 and C3 are the same, are identical. Column property number 3. Therefore, it will be equal, the determinant will be equal to 0. Now come to the question number 2. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, B minus C, C minus A minus B, C minus A minus B, B minus C equal to 0. So the column 1 is under operation, so C1 plus C2 plus C3. If you add all these in column 1, you see A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. At that time you will get 0, 0, 0. If any column or any row, all elements of column C1 are 0, therefore the value of determinant is 0. Hence also it is proved. Now come to the question number 3. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. This is the column C3. There is C3 minus C1 minus C2. So what I have done here, this is 2, 7, 65 minus 2 plus 7. 3, 8 as it is, 75 minus 3 plus 8. 5, 9, 86 minus 5 plus 9. After solving, we will get 2, 7, 56, 3, 8, 64, 5, 9, 72. Now this third column can be splitted as a multiple of 8. You see, 2, 7, 7 into 8. 7 into 8, 56 होगा. 3, 8, 8, 8 just 64, 64 हो जाएगा. 5, 9, 9 into 8, 72 हो जाएगा. So from here you can take 8 common. Now as soon as you are taking the 8 common from the third column, so you are getting two identical column, that is column 2 and column 3. You see the C2 and C3 are identical. Therefore 8 into 0 is equal to 0, hence it is also proved. Now come to the question number 4. You see question number 4, determinant 1, 1, 1, BC, CA, AB, A in bracket में B plus C plus A plus B. We have to prove it is equal to 0. Now C3 under operation, so C3 plus C2 means column C3 plus column, अब देखिए C3 ये है, C2 ये है, हमने ऐड कर दिया. AB plus AC plus BC, इसको खोल भी दिया साथ में. 1 CA BC plus AB plus CA, 1 AB CA plus BC plus AB. अब देखिए हर एक में AB plus BC plus CA है, so you can take common from the column 3. You see I have taken common AB plus BC plus CA common from column 3. So we are getting 1, 1, 1 BC CA AB. Here it is 1, 1, 1. So there are two identical rows, column. C1 and C2 are two identical columns. You see C1 and C3 are identical column, identical, hence the determinant is 0. It is also proved here. Now come to the question number 5. Determinant B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y is equal to twice of the determinant A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. We have to prove it here. So row 1 is under operation, that is row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. अब देखिए इस रो को रो 1 में आप रो 2 को और रो 3 को प्लस कीजिए कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट को, देखिए यू विल गेट ट्वाइस ऑफ ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, ट्वाइस ऑफ पी प्लस क्यू प्लस आर, ट्वाइस ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई प्लस जेड, and the second row and third row will remain as it is. Now you can take common 2 outside. Inside the bracket you are having a plus b plus c, p plus q plus r, x plus y plus z, and c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, and a plus b, and p plus q, and x plus y. Now there are 2 operations. First is R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. अब यहाँ पर कीजिए आप इसको, R2 में से R1 माइनस कीजिए। जैसे ही माइनस करेंगे देखिए A प्लस बी प्लस सी, माइनस करना है C प्लस ए से, तो C प्लस ए माइनस बी माइनस सी, so we are left here minus b. Here we are left with minus c. Similarly, here we will get minus q, minus r, minus y, minus z. This first row will remain as it is. Now the further operation is, and 2 will remain outside of the determinant. That is row 1 means row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. अब देखिए रो 1 में ये है, रो 2 में क्या है, माइनस बी है माइनस सी है। जैसे ही माइनस बी और माइनस सी को प्लस करेंगे आप, तो ये बी से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये सी से कैंसिल हो जाएगा। विल गेट ए पी एक्स, हियर यू विल गेट माइनस बी माइनस सी, पी माइनस क्यू माइनस आर, एक्स माइनस वाई माइनस जेड। Now you see the determinant value will be, I have taken minus common from the second row and third row. Second row से और third row से -1 common लिया है, so 2 into -1 into -1. Inside that bracket you will get A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, and it is your right hand side RHS, hence it is proved. Now come to the question number 6. Determinant is given, that is 0a minus b, minus a 0 minus c, b c 0 is equal to 0. We have to rule. Let it be the first equation. Multiply each column by -1. अब इस कॉलम को, कॉलम 1, कॉलम 2, कॉलम 3 को -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. So while you are multiplying -1, there are 3 columns, so -1 raised to power 3. Here inside the bracket you will get 0a minus b. जैसे इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे माइनस से, it will become plus. Now this is plus already, so it will become minus 0 minus c. It is already minus b, so it will become b, and c 0. Let it be the second equation. So from here, you see, from here we can take minus common again. But you see the -3 I have solved here. -1 raised to power 3, that is minus. So inside the bracket 0a minus b, minus a minus c, b c. Now we change the row and columns. Interchanging of the rows and columns will not have any effect on the determinant value. So this minus sign will remain as it is. Now this first column will be converted into first row. You see here 0a minus b, 0a minus b, minus a 0 minus c, minus a 0 minus c, b c 0, b c 0. So we have interchanged the column and rows in third. Now in equation first इक्वेशन में आप चेंज कीजिए रोज टू कॉलम. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का चेंज करते हैं पहले. रोज इंटू कॉलम को चेंज कर दीजिए. फर्स्ट रो क्या है 0a minus b. Now here I have written here 0a minus b. सेकेंड रो क्या है -a 0 minus c. -a 0 minus c. देखिए बी सी 0. सो द थर्ड कॉलम विल बी बी सी 0. नाउ दिस इज द फोर्थ. नाउ एडिंग थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. इसको और इसको थर्ड और फोर्थ को ऐड कीजिए. सो 0 plus 0 0. -a plus a. -a plus a. Again you are getting 0. b minus b 0. Minus a and a 0. 0 0. c minus c 0. b minus b 0. c minus c 0. c you see c minus c 0 0 0 0. This is 0. So we got the determinant 0 0 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is 0. Now come to the question number 7. A square minus a square ab ac. ab minus b square minus bc. ca cb minus c square. You see from the first row we are getting a common. You see here a, here a. You can take a common from the first row. Similarly from the second row you can take b common. Similarly you can take c common from the third row. Taking common from r1, r2 and r3. So a, b, c will get here. Inside the matrix, inside the determinant you will get minus a and a, b minus b, b, c minus c. So one ABC we have got. Now again take common from C1, C2, C3. C1, C2 से हमने क्या किया है कॉमन ए बी सी. जैसे हमने कॉमन लिया सो वी विल गेट ए बी सी. ये फ्रॉम रो से लिया था, ये कॉलम से लिया ए बी सी. इनसाइड द डिटर्मिनेंट वी आर गेटिंग -1 1 0 1 -1 1 1 1 -1. So now the third operation will be R1 is under operation, that is R1 plus R2. अब रो 1 और रो 2 को प्लस कीजिए, कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट को प्लस कीजिए. सो यू विल गेट हियर 1 plus -1 that is 0, -1 plus 1 that is again 0, and 1 plus 1 that is 2. And remaining two rows 2 and row 3. Row 2 and row 3 will remain as it is. Now we can expand because we have got 2 0. So on expanding, you see a square, b square, c square is already there to this. Now leaving the row and third column, so we are having the 2 by 2 matrix, determinant. So inside that determinant is 1 -1 1 1. So here you see the 2. Inside the bracket I have written 1 into 1 minus 1 into -1. So this minus and this minus will be multiplied again, it will become +1. Here it is +1 and 2 outside of the bracket. So 2 into 2 that is 4. Now the 4a square, b square, c square. This is our required answer or it was to be proved. That's all.